Hey everyone! If you're new to making tutorials, online classes, or YouTube videos, this one's for you. Today, I'll show you 3 free and simple screen recording tools that are perfect for beginners. No watermarks, no complicated setup. Just hit, record, and go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First up is the built-in screen recorder in Windows, called the Xbox Game Bar. You don't need to install anything. Just press Windows plus G, and the Game Bar will appear. Click the record button, and it will start capturing your screen with audio, and without audio as you like. It's best for recording apps or browser windows, but it won't record your desktop or File Explorer. Now let's see some example about how to use this and where can you find the recorded files. To use this recording tool, simply click on the Windows plus G button. You can see a pop-up will appear. You can click on the record button, present there to start recording, or you have a shortcut key to start recording. Simply click on Windows plus Alt plus R button. You can see a small pop-up appears with recording symbol. To stop recording, simply click on Stop button. If you want to see where the recording file went, simply click Windows plus G. A pop-up appears. In that pop-up, you can find the recorded files. Second one, new snipping tool in Windows 11, which now includes a screen recording feature. Just open the snipping tool, click the record option, and select the area you want to capture. You can record part of your screen, save the video, and it's super clean and simple. No extra software needed. Now let's see how to use this. We have a simple shortcut key to activate this. Click on Windows plus Shift plus R buttons. You can see a mini pop-up appears. You can select the frame size which has to be recorded after selecting area of which you want to record. Simply click on the record button. You can see recording starts. Now click on the stop button. You can see recording stops. And if you want to see where this recording saved, simply click on the 3 dots on the pop-up appears and select Show File Location option. You can see the location of the file. And finally, ScreenPresso, a lightweight screen recording tool for Windows. It allows you to record your screen in HD, capture screenshots, and even trim or edit the videos a bit. The free version doesn't add any watermark, and it's perfect for quick tutorials or software demos. Now let's see how to use this. You can download ScreenPresso directly from Chrome. If you want to record video, simply move your mouse to a pop-up which hides at the top right corner of your screen and click on Record option. Now you can see it asks for screen selection part. Select where you want to record and click on Record button. Now click on the Stop button. You can see a new pop-up appears. Simply click on the Save button. You can see recorded video saves. Now to find the file saving location, right-click on the video and select Show File Location. You can find the file location. And that's it. Now you know how to use default screen recorders. Don't forget to like and subscribe to channel.